Metro family. I'm here with Chiu, 18-year train operator with Metro. Tay is being recognized today for his quick, decisive action in making sure safety is always first. There was a car accident, hit the train. Tay reacted quickly, got off the train, fire extinguisher, extinguished the fire, protected not only the riders on the train, but also those in the passenger vehicle. Tay, you are an outstanding representation of the dedication and commitment of Metro employees for our riders and the public, and I'm honored to give you this recognition of Employee of the Month.
He exemplifies what we look for as far as dedicated employee. I appreciate his tenacity.
Every day is a different day, so not two days are alike, and we provide a very valuable service to our customers. So it's very rewarding to be helping people every single day.